Hello everyone, welcome to SMS Tech Desk. I welcome you all to our VxRail 9 hands-on training. So in this course, we are going to learn VxRail practically, not just theory. This training is designed for freshers as well as experienced IT professionals. In this training, we are using latest product versions like VxRail Manager 9.0, VMware ESXi 9.0, VMware vCenter 9.0, and VMware vSAN 9.0. So whatever you learn here is future ready and it's not outdated. So this is 100% hands-on training. You will learn how to deploy VxRail from scratch, how VxRail works with vSphere and vSAN. Then we are going to learn the day-to-day operations like upgrades, lifecycle management, and the basic troubleshooting of VxRail. Then how VxRail is used in real production environments. So this training is designed for freshers as well as experienced IT professional, and this suits for VMware administrators, system and support engineers, anyone planning to work on VxRail, VCF, or modern data centers. So no prior VxRail experience required for this training. This VxRail 9 hands-on training is practical, then completely real-time based and career focused. So if you like this content, please subscribe my channel SMS Tech Test. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Let's start this VxRail journey together. Thank you and see you in the next class.